All right.
Oh, hold up. What happened to that one?
Which one?
You're 85.
Oh, that one? That one's no good. I gotta ride this one now.
You gotta ride the shitty.
Yeah, I gotta ride this joint.
So, you hadn't told me what happened to that one.
Huh? That one's done for. I don't know.
What happened to it?
I don't know. The bearings. But you know, I can still send this one over some jumps. What is that? God dang. It's here and down to the left. Well, there's a new jump down here, and I'm gonna send it. Hopefully this bike don't bog out on me. Oh God, I'm coming up too hot on this jump. Oh shoot. Oh! Oh man, I don't know about this jump. Hey, a turtle. What do you think?
I think my ass is.
Alright,
what?
You think the jump?
Oh, so this is the fucking jump?
Yeah, what do you think? Sketchy?
Yeah. That one, yeah, this one, I don't know.
So you gotta hit it from coming this way. That's you hit that and you land on here. See, I don't know. Just gotta go for it.
What in coordination?
Alright, here, just take my phone and record me on the Snapchat and hopefully I'll make it. Right here. Maybe up on this hill. Yeah, maybe like.
Right there?
Let me see my phone real quick. Joseph, watch out.
I'm wearing flip-flops, damn it.
Yeah, just come right here and just follow my bike.
Okay, I can do that.
Oh God, I'm nervous. Oh shoot. That wasn't too bad. What? What are you doing? Let me see it.
Hold up. Alright. You were so fucking close to me.
Yeah, what were you right there? Why'd you move? You didn't like that spot? All right, put that on my story, and I guess I'll try it again.
I'll save it to your story.
No, yeah, no, just put it on my story right now.
Alright.
Yeah, save it. Just save it and then put it on my story. Oh man. This jump is messed up. It's messed up kinda. How'd that look? Yeah, I know. If I had my 85, I could clear it a lot better, but let me see that. That looks pretty sweet though. Right here and right there. Look at that hole right there. I got this pile of dirt from right here. It's a big hole, ain't it?
Huh. Digging for gold. Wow.
I wish I had another bike. Me and you could go on like a pit bike adventure or something.
This ain't no good at all.
What?
That,
Yeah, I know. You gotta. I guess I gotta pack it in more. If my 85 was running, I'll let you ride this, and we could go. I'd ride the 85, and you could ride this. But
85 is done for.
yeah, it's done. So maybe when I get it fixed, you can go over and ride this bitch if you want.
Don't be
Yeah, that I straight nailed that jump right there.
Yeah, you hit like right here.
Yeah.
Perfect spot too. He broke some of it off too.
Yeah.
Should I get out the way?
Nah, I'm done hitting this.
Did you hurt anything?
Nope.
Damn, if that was me, I would have hurt my whole.
Yeah, you'd have freaking, dude. You'd have made a better video. You want to put the helmet on and go for a ride on this thing? Come on, Joseph.
Yeah, shit.
You gotta learn how to ride these damn things.
No, the helmet won't fit.
Yeah, right. I bet it would.
Don't put on this big ass nog in the
You gotta put it on yourself. Just put it on. Hold these over and just squeeze it on there.
Ow, my fucking ear!
Is it,
This stinks up
does
in
it feel
here.
good or is it?
No, it doesn't feel good at all.
It's not. It's not. It's tight.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to wear it anymore.
Fuck no.
Damn it.
The joint is like tight as hell.
Well, I guess you gotta get your own. Or Tommy's got a black one that.
Yeah, that's for.
Oh, look how easy it fits on my shit.
Yeah, it fits perfectly on your head, but on my head, I got like nothing else. I mean, I ride a dirt bike, that ain't a problem, but that shit.
You're gonna go shit.
I'm gonna shit right in that hole.
We'll go do some donuts down here or something.
Oh, I bet. Let me video that. Oh yeah, they
On-
ain't put nothing on mine. Damn it.
I can send you the. Oh, you got an iPhone, so I can send you, and it'll be good quality. Oh shit! That's how you do it. Whew. Did you get anything? Oh, ain't even got to kick it. No back brakes. Whoa.